Hi, my name is Michael Coyle, and I teach Aboriginal rights and dispute resolution theory, negotiation and mediation here at Western Law. I'm an associate professor. My main area of research is the question of finding a just relationship, a more just relationship between Canada and Indigenous peoples in this country. Specifically, what criteria could we as Canadians, lawmakers, policymakers, Indigenous leaders, develop and agree on in assessing whether we are moving toward justice? There are three main areas that I've been researching in trying to determine the criteria by which we might establish a more just relationship. First, existing Euro-Canadian common law principles. It surely goes without saying that what Canadian common law says about the integrity of agreements, about what is valid in the negotiation of agreement, would apply to agreements with Indigenous peoples, at least as a baseline, everything else being equal. Secondly, we need to look at, and I have been looking at, the possibility and the opportunities to learn from Indigenous laws and Indigenous values. What do they say about a just relationship? What do they say about how disputes should be resolved? Thirdly, I look at what new norms can be created through dialogue that reflect both sides' values, both sides will see as a fair way of moving forward. Those are three issues of substance. The other area of focus of mine is the process that is used going forward. My own background is in dispute resolution theory, and it seems to me that it's very important in light of pipeline blockades and other major conflicts that we've been having lately to establish processes that are most likely to be quick, cheap, and considered by both sides, both treaty partners, to be fair, reflecting both of their values. And that idea of process being very important in parties' abilities to vindicate their rights is also a key issue that I'm researching. It seems to me that the answers that Canada provides to these major issues, lawmakers, policymakers, Indigenous leaders, will have a very significant impact on the health of our relationship moving forward.